Hello my yarny friends, my name's Linda. Welcome to my channel. I'm based here in the UK, in the northwest, up north I am, and today is the giveaway, my sock yarn giveaway, and I have something really nice and special for you this month. The yarn can, if you're not a sock knitter, you can use the yarn to make whatever your heart desires, but if you like the yarn and you want to take part, then check the description box below for all the rules and regulations set out by YouTube. And the only thing I must my giveaways are for my subscribers, so please do make sure that you are subscribed. So if your name is picked by the random org, YouTube's random comment picker, then you could be in a chance to win this one. And this one is from Yarnable by Hypnotic Yarn. This is the lovely colour, and I thought, it's summer guys, it's summer. So this is a plush DK, straighten your crown it's called, and it's 85% superwash merino, 50% nylon, 246 yards, and it's 100 grams. And look at all them beautiful colours. You've got greens, you've got oranges, you've got yellows, and it reminds me of summer flowers, a rose. Yellow roses are my favourite. And with that you get 10 yellow stitch markers, of course, and you also get a 9-inch circular 3mm circular needle from Lang. So yeah, so what's the word that I need from you? Let me think. Let's put rose, shall we? Because I think this reminds me of roses, and roses are, I think they're June's flower anyway. But anyway, let's pick the word rose. So please incorporate the word rose, I'll write it here, into your comment. As always, we're wild, anybody can enter. I will post it out to you, but any customs duties, etc., that are at your end is your responsibility. And this is only a short giveaway, so it's going live on the 12th, which is the 12th of June, and it closes on the 17th of June, and the winner will be announced on the 19th of June. So it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 6 days, and I will pick the winner on the Sunday, and then the winning video will go out on the Monday the 19th of June. And I hope you're all enjoying June. Summer's here at last, my favourite time of the year. And don't forget to check the description box for all the rules and regulations. As always, 18 years and over, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment with the word rose, and share with your friends if you want to. I would thoroughly enjoy getting new family members to my channel. So if you share it, that would be awesome. Thank you so much. And that's all from me for today. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye-bye for now.